Hey Legacy family, Judi Nield here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is security. BoldTrail, which is Legacy Real Estate's smart CRM platform, has increased their security measures so that when you log in, you are now going to be asked for a code that is sent to your cell phone. Or you can also use the Google Authenticator to access a code to get into your platform. This is what it looks like so that you can access BoldTrail today. To get started, log into BoldTrail at app.boldtrail.com with your business email and password. Select the Google Authenticator or SMS if you would like a text code sent to your cell phone. The SMS is probably the easiest. Once you enter your phone number and click continue, it'll send you a code that you will then be able to access your BoldTrail account. And then click the continue button so that it remembers your device for a faster login in the future. If you did choose the Google Authenticator, scan the code with your cell phone, download the app, and enter the code from that app. If an error screen pops up, click No Thanks. There must have been some issue with your device on saving the password to your account. For more information about this or other Legacy tools, click the Learning Portal link or visit legacylearncenter.com.